Hello, welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. So I will have a small series of videos based on recent ARC Big Ideas 2021, which was released January 26th, just 2 weeks back, and what are the stocks I am buying or I have it, and what are the ETFs around it. Okay, so every year ARC announces their big ideas for that year. So they in this 2021, as you can see here, things have changed. Somehow things have changed. So these are the things they are saying. If you look at ARC ETFs, lot of these ETFs around this. Okay, so there is a separate 3D printing ETF known as PRNT, and this is ARC Genomics. Okay, so this is automation, electric vehicles, autonomous driving, ARKQ, and this is they have part of ARKW. They are investing into Bitcoin. There is no separate Bitcoin ETF or crypto ETF. So this is about ARKF, which is ARC, fintech ETF, and this is about ARKK, so internet ETF. So in this short video, I am focusing on 3D printing. You will see reasons why I am focused on 3D printing and why I am invested into these stocks in 3D printing. So let's go dig into 3D printing. So so this is about 3D printing. So this is not a huge, there are like around 4 or 5 slides about on what companies they believe in. It is 3D printing saves time, cost, and 3D printing a form of additive manufacturing that builds objects layer by layer as opposed to traditional manufacturing. So it reduces the time between the design and production, especially for a lot of prototypes. So ARC believes 3D printing will revolutionize manufacturing, and roughly 60% from $12 billion last year to $125 billion by 2025. In 2025. So if you look at here, 3D printing revenues declined in 2020, but new users leveraged. Okay, so the critical turning factor for 3D printing is autonomous vehicles and COVID in 2020. So if you look at here, a lot of medical devices, filters, adjusters, respirators, face shields, lot of them were used 3D printing. So if you look at these companies in 3D printing, in ARC Print ETF, if you look at these, so I own personally a lot of stocks in 3D print, DDD, and also Nano Dimensions, and also Desktop Metal, which is not here, but I will show that in a minute. So if you look at this, the purple is basically Stratasys. The revenue is showing by revenue. The purple is Stratasys, which has one of the highest revenue. Then DDD, which is 3D printing, is the second highest revenue. Then rest of these companies, the revenues based on that. So these are some of the top holdings in that ETF. Okay, so again, prototypes, molds, and then end use partners. So this is where actually 3D printing is exploding now. So these are the main applications. Okay, automobiles, auto parts, equipment, machineries. This will revolutionize especially auto parts, especially if you look at how Tesla is using, other electric vehicles is using, they are going away from actually manufacturing to 3D printing with second generation metal printers. Okay, so machinery, foundries, and metal products industry manufacturing, and also a lot of end user parts are printed using aerospace, healthcare equipment, plastic products, footwear, and semiconductor equipment. So if you look at here, so the lot of revolution is coming in aerospace, and then autonomous vehicles, and also machinery. So 3D printing enables many forms of factors because autonomous technology accelerate innovation thanks to, and ARC estimates that drone and hardware revenue will total by 100 billion by 2025. So these are different parts they have been using in 3D printing. And if you look at here, global estimates by different companies. Okay, so E&Y estimates 2023 $27 billion, BCG or SmartText around $30-50 billion, ARC estimates 120, and then McKinsey has the highest estimates so far. So if you look at one more thing I want to show you is this one. Okay, so this is a bar chart. If you look at top ETFs, year today is one of them is 3D printing at 45%. Okay, the return for this ETF in 2021 so far is 45%, because a lot of the stocks, the top holdings of this 3D printing went up by in last 1 month anywhere between 100 to 400%. Okay, so the next closest ARC ETF that return for the year is 20%, which is ARKW. So this is not the first time I brought this ETF. I told in my last couple of videos, this is going to be the best performing ETF for ARC this year. Please take my word. So how do you trade this? There are multiple ways to trade this. I already own multiple stocks in these ETFs. So you can buy dips in this ETF and keep on buying dips in this ETF, because this company is going to grow revenues for next couple of years. Okay, so if you look at here, ARC ETF, this is 3D printing, this is the total holdings. So if you look at the top companies, Stratasys, 3D System, X1 and Desktop Metal. As I said, the X1 return for last 1 month is close to 400%, 3D System is close to 400%, and Desktop Metal is close to 90%. So a lot of the stocks went up, and I have been following these stocks and owning this. I have multiple videos covered these stocks also. So you can hold on dips some of the top holdings in 3D printing, or you buy the whole ETF. Okay, so this is what I'm betting on. This ETF, it will do best in 2021, and ARC Genomics, it did last year. I'm not betting RKG will be doing same like 220% return this year, but this is the reason why you need to, at the beginning of the year, you need to observe which ETF will succeed that year. So based on that, you have to go behind the returns, and you have to be continuously investing into the stocks. If you look at here, this is like $10 stock, $9 stock just a month back. Now it's close to $50 stock now. Similarly, the Desktop Metal, I made the first video when I made it was $12. It's now close to $30, and there's price target, huge price target on this one as well. So that's why I said I will follow on ARC Big Ideas 2021. I will cover one sector by another sector. I will tell the top stocks and ETFs around it. See how you like it. Let me know what you think about this 3D printing and whether you like to buy any of the stocks in 3D printing this year. Hopefully you like the video. Wait for my next video. Thank you.